And there's our order that we placed. That's for 2 wheels and 1 frame. And this can be processed through like any standard sales order, which we obviously see in the customer module demonstration. Okay. Obviously within Enterprise we've got a couple of special items. One of them is the kits, and one of them is also matrix items. Within kits, we've got computer kits. This is a kit that I've set up within Enterprise. So what this is, it just gives us an ability to choose a series of items that are grouped together as a kit, and the user can change what they actually get with that particular kit. So with this computer, and you'll notice the price amending. So with this particular kit item, it's a computer, so I'm changing the motherboard, what the CPU is, the amount of RAM, hard disk space, etc., etc. And then I say add to cart. That adds my item to the cart. I can then continue shopping. So I can go back and I can go to my matrix item. This is my t-shirt. Now, what I've done in the background is obviously I've got a matrix item which is a series of t-shirts. I've got a few different colours and a few different sizes. And what this does, it actually says, well, display one item, but give the user the choice of which colour they want to pick. So blue, medium, etc., etc. And it puts that particular item onto my cart. I've also got the ability to put coupons in and special instructions. Same options as before, COD, and then place the order. Okay, and I can print a receipt again. If I drop down into my orders with Enterprise, there's the order, 43. There's that computer kit. And there's my dangerous t-shirt. So you can see, this is true integration. You know, there's no linking or synchronization. It's up to date all the time. A couple of other things that we've got on the website are things like featured items. So you notice on my home page here, it's just a standard picture. If I drop in again back to eCommerce, go and find an item. Let's have a look at those 17-inch wheels, and just click their featured item, save and close. Refresh the web page. Now I've got a special, maybe a special on these particular items. Click on those and it drills down onto them, and away we go. I've also got news items. So if I create a new bit of news, and then we get a news item as well, and you can drill down on that just like you can on a stock item. And these, like I say, these are all things that a user that's not web orientated at all can do really easily, without much training at all. The other thing is topics. So what you may see here is you've got a topic here, it says help, help, help. That's actually stored in the help topic, funnily enough. If we drill down onto that and just amend that there, remove it, go back, and it's gone. Now, it's not just on help and info, it's on things like returns as well. So if I can click on returns, I could go in and find the returns topic, get rid of return me, which you'll see is there, refresh it, now it disappears. So that's on all things like, about your company, returns, frequently asked questions, contact us. It's all really easy to maintain. You may have noticed here as well, we've got a language set. So we've got English, United States, And you could, these are again are defaulted in Enterprise Stock module, inventory module, so you can have lots of different languages in there. So you can have French, German, whatever. I've just got two at the moment, English and US. What this enables us to do, if we just have a look at an inventory item in here, so like these 17-inch wheels again, we'll see on our account we've got 17-inch wheels, and it's applied to all descriptions. So when I actually look at this item, you can see I've got 17-inch wheels as my description, and also on the main page. Now, if I change that to US, it says US description. And the reason for that is if we look at the US here, it's got US description. So we've got two different descriptions. So if I actually said, actually, we're going to keep that the same, I'm not going to have that in there. Get rid of the US description, so it's now the same as the UK. When we go back to it, press F5, it's now gone. The other thing we've got is also extended descriptions. So as well as the standard description that we've got on the item here, we can also go into the web option and put an even longer description in there. And then when we drill down, apply it to the US, even longer for the US. Refresh. We've got an even longer for the US, and if I change that back to the UK, then displays the even longer one, which is one for the UK. So it's really good that you can have basic different descriptions per language set. Obviously, we've seen the manufacturing departments on the side here, but they work in exactly the same manner as the categories do, and the manufacturer as well. All those are set within the setup tab of the product. So we've got default category here, default department code, and also the manufacturer down here. So if we put Bikes R Us for this item, go back to the website, click on Bikes R Us, and now suddenly we've got our wheels in there. Onto the user's account. You can see here these are the two orders that I've placed. I can reorder them here as well, and I can also view them, see what they were. So I can also reorder it from here as well. And you'll see here I've got a status. When that actually gets sent out, the actual items, that will actually say completed. Notice my notes as well that I added when I entered the order. So you can keep track of those things. Okay, I think that gives you a pretty good understanding of how the website comes together and gives you an idea of how it works. If you need any more information, you can call Interprise UK on 0845 032 7000. Many thanks.